Right, so it's been 2 weeks since I did the first video, and I should be finished with the page by now, right? Which I'm not. Obviously, client work takes priority, but a few things happened in these couple of weeks. So I wanted to sort of address it in here because this now is maybe a take two of trying out the Bricks Builder, and I'll show you what I mean. So I actually only got to the next section of this page and then ran into a couple of issues that I just couldn't quite figure out. So I went and looked for some tutorials. While I was doing that, I came across the Mosaic Builder, and I had a squirrel moment and thought, hey, let me just try this thing. A couple of people seem excited about it. So I set it up on a subdomain and I got pretty far, almost exactly to the same place. I thoroughly enjoyed working in the editor and was eager to maybe continue building out the page and then showing this builder against bricks. But I ran into some issues. So I think I tried to change some styling in the Gutenberg styles or whatever. Can't really remember. But yeah, it's now basically unusable. Let me stop that. But I think Mosaic is worth keeping an eye on. So I'm sure when they do an update or uninstall and reinstall here, we'll be good to go. But I'm not feeling comfortable enough to do anything more with that right now. It did, however, make me realize something about bricks. So back to the Bricks Builder now. This page that I'm trying to build out is useful for me, but it's actually not really useful for a YouTube video. But also, it's the wrong thinking, I realized, is this is still kind of a Elementor V3 mindset, and it's not really where the builders are looking to go. So I started from scratch and decided that I would go with trying out a design system and style guide. And this has got me really interested now in what bricks can do, because it took me quite a while to figure this out, because I was jumping between, again, this old thinking of the theme styling versus creating classes, CSS classes, and variables and that. But once I set that aside, I now have created my first CSS classes in here. So, I mean, I haven't tried this, so let's just do it live. So this heading now, if I apply, say, title 2, it gets that styling. And this is true now of body and the buttons. So let's just try a button at the same time here. So I did notice that element styling supersedes the, if that's correct, supersedes the CSS. So I needed to change thing here. So I still need to wrap my head around these two ways of building things out. But we are headed in the right direction here with the Bricks Builder. And this is obviously where Brick stands out against everybody else at the moment. And this certainly is the direction that we need to be going in with builders, because CSS has been this way for a very long time. And I know people are saying, yeah, but Webflow and these guys already been doing it for a while. But yes, there's a lot of restrictions with the likes of Webflow. What's exciting is about being able to do this in WordPress. And I'm probably really late to the party here. But I created my first little widget out of these various elements and then saved this as a component. So kind of not really sure what I'm doing with that yet, but that was easy enough to do, and it allows me now to continue building this out. So this is way more the direction we should be going in, and I think this might be more useful for anybody watching these videos. Okay, so in the next video, what I'm going to do is show exactly why I've chosen this, because I think this is a really good comparison between Elementor Pro and what we can do with bricks. So I'll continue building out the elements here, the style guide, and then show exactly what I'm trying to do before building out the website, right? Because this is the way we should be doing things. Okay, onwards.